Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel and today's topic is function of white blood cells or function of WBC. So let's start it. Neutrophil granulocyte with segmented nuclei serve mostly to defend against bacteria. Predominantly outside the vascular system, it inflamed the tissues, they phagocytose and then lyses bacteria. So their main action on bacteria. The function of eosinophilic granulocyte is defense against parasite. They have a direct cytotoxic action on parasite and their eggs and the larva. Okay, and they also play a very important role in the down regulation of anaphylactic shock reaction and autoimmune response. Okay, thus controlling the influence of the basophilic cells. So eosinophilic granulocyte is a main work on the parasite eggs and the parasite larva. And next is the main function of basophilic granulocyte and their tissue bound equivalent tissues mast cell is to regulate circulation through the release of substance such as histamine, serotonin and the heparin. Okay, these tissues hormones increase vascular permeability at the site of various local antigen activities and thus regulate the influx of the other inflammatory cells. And the next is a main function of a monocyte is a defense against a bacteria, fungi, virus and the foreign bodies. Defensive activities take place mostly outside the vessel by the phagocytosis. Monocyte also break down the endogenous cells, means erythrocyte RBC at the end of their life cycle, and they are assumed to perform a similar function in a defense against the tumors. Outside the bloodstream, monocyte develop into histiocyte, macrophage in the endothelium of body cavity, epithelial cells, foreign body macrophages including Langer giant cells and many other cells. Okay, and next is a lymphocyte. Lymphocyte are divided into the two major basic group according to the function. Thymus dependent T lymphocyte, which make up to 70% of lymphocyte, provide local defense against antigen from organic and inorganic foreign body in the form of delay type hypersensitivity and as classify exemplified by the tuberculin reactions. And the next is bone marrow dependent B lymphocyte which make about 20% of lymphocyte and through their development and they provide the humoral antibody. इसको अगर आपको हिंदी में चाहिए तो मैं आपको हिंदी में भी ट्रांसफर करके बता सकती हूँ, तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हो. थैंक